Myself is Pramod Kumar Sharma, and today our topic is data transmission mode. Today we are discuss about the how is the data, what is the data, how is data transmission, what is the mode of the transmission. Data transmission mode. Actually, we transfer the data between two devices and persons, sender or receiver, by a network or media, called data transmission or called mode of communications. Here we see the good example. One sender talk to another persons, and this is the this is the method of the data transmission. So he talked to the other persons by the telephony. A telephone is connected by the wire media to the tower. So this is the called the media. Media is the wire and telephony. And what is the network? Network is a telephone network by a voice call. So another end is show the media. Media is the wireless, and person is connected to the mobile by the tower. So sender send the information to receiver by the media or by the networks of telephone. So here we are simply understand transfer the data between two device and person. Two device के both side are connected to the mobiles. Another person is one side is sender, another side is our receivers. By networks. Networks is mode of any telephone networks, fiber networks, and maybe this is the any media. Maybe media is wire or telephony. So this is the data transmission mode. Data transmission mode is combinations of the three words. First word is data, second word is transmission, and third word is mode. Data is any informations just like speech, text, word, which we want to send one place to another place, or we want to our destination end, which have some meanings of the information. It's called the data. It's maybe voice data, it's maybe computer data, it's maybe speech, it may be text, it may be word. There is a many forms, many formats of the data. Transmission. Transmission is the method of actually communications which help to information transmit one place to another place and by a sender to receiver. It may be wire, it may be wireless. Just like for example, when we are send our some package or some material by our truck or by our cargo. So just like this is the mode of the transmission. And what is the mode? Mode is the media which by the information traveling. That means it may be wire or wireless. Wire mode is also called the guide mode, and wireless mode is also called non-guide mode. For example, when we are send our courier by air, so we are say this is the mode of transmission is by air or by road. Data transmission mode is actually three types. One is simplex, another half duplex, and third one is duplex. In simplex mode, that means sender send the data to receivers and receiver not send the data to senders. That is called simplex mode. Half duplex mode. Half duplex mode in sender send the data to receiver. Same time receiver cannot be send the data to sender, or further after complete the message of the sender, receiver can send the message to sender. It's called half duplex. Duplex, the both device or sender and receiver can be send the data at a time to each other. It's called duplex. In briefly, we are described in next slide. Number one, simplex or unidirectional data transmission mode. Why are we say it's unidirectional? Because it's our data is sent only by transmitter to receiver. Receiver cannot be sent to data to transmitters. So that data transmit only one direction is called unidirectional. Data transmit sender to receiver only. That means he already explained, only transmitter, only sender send the data to receiver. For example, he is listening the radio, so he cannot be send the data to radio station. He only listen the music or news etc. Another way is same. Our one computer is send the data from one place to another place, just like it is form of the byte 0 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 0 data sender and send. It is only unidirectional. It is called simplex unidirectional data transmission mode. That is only for one side. Another one is half duplex data transmission mode. Half duplex data transmission mode is that each station can be sent the data but not the same time. Here important thing is that both stations send the data but not a same time. That means one by one. It's called semi-unidirectional. That means best example, walkie-talkie communicate by the police or army. After pass the message they share over. Over means ki one side data is finished, now another side person can be sent the data. This is the key for finishing the data. Here we can say easily sender A send the data to sender B. Station A, station is sender or a policeman A send the some information to station B policeman and he informed to two persons are come to theirs and over. Now station B say if he receive the data he say okay copy and over. That means he received the data and now you can continue and send the data. If station B is not clear the data, he say repeat again. So station A again repeat the same data. That means easy understand to easy way it is use a single channel one by one. Trans by station A received by station B. That means when station A trans, that time station B only receive. When station B trans, that time station A only receive. Use over after complete this message. That is called half duplex data transmission mode. Third one is full duplex data transmission mode. Full duplex data transmission mode means the both stations trans and receive his message at a time. Actually, they have dual channel or frequency for trans and receive mode. Here you will look to better way. Station A trans the frequency via the tower and station B receive. Same time station B send and station A receive. That means when we are speaking together, the another persons talk to our mobiles. That time we talk and at a time we listen and speak simultaneously. So it is called full duplex mode. Here station device 1 and device 2 also show here. Sender send the data to receiver and another station is also sender at a time send the data and device 1 also receive this data. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want to any informations then please comment. Thank you.